Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of feeling like a bloody car ran you over? Inflammation got you feeling like a deflated souffle? Well, get ready to ditch the painkillers and step into my kitchen because we're about to give your body the nourishment it deserves. We're talking about fighting fire with flavor. That's right, we're arming you with 5 anti-inflammatory recipes that'll have you feeling like £1,000,000. We've got turmeric, the golden child of spice, omega-3s, the superheroes of healthy fats, and leafy greens, packed with more vitamins than you can shake a stick at. Let's get cooking. Did you know you can ease pain and swelling with the right foods? In this video, we're sharing 5 anti-inflammatory recipes packed with turmeric, omega-3s, and fresh greens that will help you feel your best. Alright, you Muppets, let's start the day off right with a flavor explosion that'll blow your socks off. This isn't some sad, watery smoothie, no. This is a golden turmeric smoothie, and it's packed with enough anti-inflammatory punch to knock out your pain. First, grab yourself some turmeric root. Don't even think about using that dusty powder in the back of your cupboard. We're using fresh, vibrant turmeric for maximum flavor and benefits. Next, we'll chuck in some ripe bananas for sweetness and creaminess, and to top it off, a good whack of fresh ginger for a bit of zing. Now blitz it all together until it's smoother than a baby's. This golden turmeric smoothie is your secret weapon against inflammation. One sip of this, and you'll be trading in your aches and pains for energy and vitality. Next up, we're tackling lunch, and let me tell you, this isn't your average sad desk salad. We're having an omega-3 salmon salad that's bursting with flavor and goodness. This salad is so delicious, you'll forget you're actually eating something healthy. We're starting with a beautiful piece of fresh salmon. None of that farmed rubbish, mind you. We're talking wild-caught, bursting with omega-3s, the good fats that fight inflammation, like a heavyweight champ. Now let's build this masterpiece. We'll toss in some crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and a vibrant mix of your favorite leafy greens. And for a dressing, a simple squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil will do the trick. This omega-3 salmon salad is a symphony of textures and flavors, and it's going to leave you feeling satisfied and energized, not sluggish and bloated. Right, you lot, as the sun starts to set, let's get a pot of something warm and comforting simmering on the stove. This isn't just any soup, though. This is turmeric lentil soup, and it's packed with flavor and anti-inflammatory ingredients. First, grab yourself some red lentils. Don't even think about using those mushy brown ones. We're using red lentils because they cook quickly and create a beautiful, creamy texture. Next, we'll add in some diced onions, carrots, and celery for a base of sweet and savory flavors. Now for the star of the show, turmeric. We're going in with a generous spoonful of ground turmeric, along with some cumin, coriander, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. Simmer it all together until the lentils are tender and the flavors have melded together beautifully. This turmeric lentil soup is like a warm hug in a bowl. Listen up, you lot. I know you're busy, but that's no excuse for shoving a greasy takeaway down your throat. We're whipping up a quick and easy avocado and walnut wrap that's perfect for lunch on the go. First, grab yourself some whole wheat tortillas. None of that white bread nonsense. We're using whole wheat tortillas for their fiber and nutrients. Next, we'll spread a generous layer of mashed avocado on top. Avocado is a powerhouse of healthy fats and anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's add some crunch and flavor with chopped walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3s, which are essential for fighting inflammation, and for a final touch of freshness, we'll pile on some baby spinach. This avocado and walnut wrap is a nutritional powerhouse, and it's so easy to make, even you lot can't mess it up. Alright, you Muppets, it's time to wind down after a long day with a comforting cup of turmeric golden milk. This isn't your average cuppa, though. This golden elixir is packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients that will lull you into a peaceful slumber. We're starting with a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Feel free to use any milk you like, but almond milk is naturally creamy and complements the turmeric beautifully. Next, we'll add in a teaspoon of ground turmeric, along with a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric, making it even more effective. Now, for a touch of sweetness and warmth, we'll add a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Heat it all up gently on the stove, stirring constantly until the turmeric is fully incorporated. This turmeric golden milk is like a warm hug in a mug. It's the perfect way to end your day, easing inflammation and promoting relaxation. Well, there you have it, you lot. 5 incredible anti-inflammatory recipes that are guaranteed to make you feel like a new person. Incorporate these dishes into your weekly routine, and I promise you'll start seeing and feeling the difference. Remember, eating for your health doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. It's about using fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and a bit of culinary creativity. Hit that subscribe button and join me on this delicious journey to a healthier, happier you. For more tips and healthy recipes, hit the subscribe button and join us at Nourish Nest. Together, let's prioritize your health and wellness.